Envent started in 2003. We operate in 5 regions of the world: Mexico, United States, Canada, the Middle East, and Shanghai, China. We build analyzers used to measure gases and liquids, typically in the energy sector. We sell the analyzers, but we also sell all the infrastructure that goes with taking samples, converting it. We need to be able to speak in terms of data to our customers at all times.
Before Acumatica, we ran a very basic accounting software called Simply Accounting, just basically looking at the financial side of things. In terms of inventory, you would have to go physically check all the boxes, make sure that we had all the components for jobs. And so projects could be delayed because if someone forgot to check, and we could get to 80% of the project being completed and then have to wait 4 weeks for this extra component to come in and then to actually complete that project.
We did a lot of spreadsheet tracking. A lot of the information was very data heavy and manual tracking, and it wasn't visible to a lot of different people at once.
And everyone had kind of siloed themselves, and everyone had their own system, their own way of doing things, but we wanted to grow. We wanted to actually get better at what we did, and we needed to get a better centralized data or cloud-based data to start really doing this, especially multiple locations. So implementing Acumatica was remarkably seamless. It was actually kind of hit the ground running, and it just worked. So we rely a lot on pulling data in order to shore up decisions we want to make next. And the fact that we can work in real time with our colleagues all over the world.
Acumatica is such a great fit for Envent because it allowed us to really see everything that's happening. How we are issuing purchase orders, receiving sales orders, ordering components for different projects. And it gives us accurate data that we're able to use so that when someone asks, how long will it take for this project to be completed? I can see what I have in inventory, how long it will take for us to build, and give them accurate estimations of project lead times.
It gives me a lot more visibility on what is needed for production, for sales, as opposed to just kind of guessing previously. We look at about 5 to 10 hours a week trying to find the same information that we're finding now in 1 to 2 hours per week. It's also really helped tailor my inventory specific to project and specific to order to make sure that I'm not carrying too much. It allowed us to really reduce our inventory count write-off from 25% per count down to 1 to 4% per count.
Aqurus have been very, very, very helpful in our journey with Acumatica. So they actually have a really good understanding of our business, and they know what we're using Acumatica for, what type of data we're pulling out of it, and what else we might want to see.
I think Acumatica is a great fit for Envent. It gives them the control of their inventory. They have the ability to build their production orders from a bill of materials and then adapt it. It gives them the flexibility of being a discrete manufacturer that builds the same over and over, but with the flexibility of being able to adjust to whatever their customers may ask them for.
I would say that Acumatica has allowed us to increase our manufacturing. I believe it is 12-fold, and we used to sit at 70% on-time delivery, and now we're often 95 to 100% on time every week.
Real-time data from Acumatica, absolutely critical importance to me. We have a market advantage in that we can rapidly build analyzers far faster than any of our competitors. We're 400% our gross rev from even 2020. We've grown very rapidly, and it's all been very manageable because we're always dealing in real data.